Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get money on Webull. First, you'll need to link your bank account. This is typically done through an ACH transfer, which is a common and secure method. You can initiate this directly from the Webull app or website. For larger deposits, a wire transfer is also an option, though it might involve higher fees. Ensure your bank details are accurate to avoid delays. Once linked, funding your account is straightforward. After linking your bank, navigate to the deposit section within the Webull app. Here, you will specify the amount you wish to transfer into your brokerage account. It's crucial to double-check all the transaction details before confirming. ACH transfers usually take a few business days to clear, while wire transfers are often faster. Webull typically offers promotions for new deposits, so keep an eye out for those opportunities. It's important to be aware of any deposit limits that may apply. Webull, like other platforms, has daily and monthly limits for ACH transfers. Wire transfers generally allow for much larger sums, making them suitable for significant investments. If you have specific needs or questions about your limits, don't hesitate to contact Webull's customer support. They can provide personalized guidance and clarify any restrictions. When you're ready to withdraw funds, simply go to the withdrawal section and select your linked bank account. The process is similar to depositing, but in reverse. Be aware that withdrawals also take a few business days to process and clear. Planning your withdrawals in advance can help manage your finances effectively. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.